Hello. I'm excited to show you the benefits of the Generative AI Help Assistant, now available in Sage Fixed Assets Depreciation and Tracking. My name is Ann Doney. I'm the Development Manager and Product Owner for Sage Fixed Assets. Let's take a look at the Sage Fixed Assets application. In version 2024.1, which was released in January, we now have available Ally, your beta AI assistant. I'll show you how she can help you discover features you have but don't currently use. But first, let's take a look at other help that's available in the product and has been for years. One area to find help is in the Assistant Center. For example, there's common questions here, like what are my options for creating assets? Help comes up with a topic on the question and links to other topics of ways to create assets. I want to point out that this application has hundreds of help topics that are very in-depth and informative. There's also the User's Guide. The User's Guide is a mere 558 pages long. Another item that you probably have noticed if you've been using the product is these Sage Grad Caps. They lead to short videos on features that are context sensitive to where you launch the Grad Cap from. But we understand no one has time to search through all these existing help topics in today's world. I know I don't have the time or desire to read all those things. So with the 2024.1 release, you now have Sage Fixed Assets Ally, and she has taken the time to read all those documents and understand what's available. She's friendly and professional, and she'll provide an answer in seconds if it's available in the documentation that we have trained her with. Now, for the fun part, let's use a potential real-life example. Let's imagine I'm an accountant for a company, and I recently was asked to take over the fixed asset accounting. I'm new to this product, even though my company's had it for years. Someone has asked me for information on store number one's assets. I can switch and see their assets here. I guess I need to run a report to get details. It sure would be handy if I had a way to see totals of these values right here on the asset list. Let me check the AI assistant here. All right, something popped up. There's an answer. All right. It says, yes, you can display the totals on the asset list in fixed assets. To do this, enable the total asset list totals by clicking Enable List. Once enabled, there'll be a blue footer. All right, let me go back to my application. I hadn't noticed this before. There's so much going on. Great, that's just what I needed to see. And as she noted, I can easily turn them on and off by double-clicking. I love it. That's so handy. I wonder what else I can learn from Sage Fixed Assets Ally. Let me open it up here again. I just clicked on Ask, and the dialog came back to the top. I see those questions down here. Oh, those questions are actually buttons. I'm going to click one. All right, can I customize a report? Yes, you can customize a report. And it tells me more details. And it says if I want more information, it can provide a list. This is awesome. This is going to help me learn about the product in a quick and efficient way. All right, so let's talk a little bit about Ally in general so you know a little bit more from this short video. There are times that she may not come up with the right answer. She could even come up with the wrong answer. This is AI technology, and it is experimental and can produce answers that are unexpected and even inaccurate, even though we provided her the documents to work with. Do not enter any confidential information. You can click Help to see some quick Q&A here. You can use this button to copy all the content to a clipboard if you want to save it for later reference. As noted, there's questions here at the bottom, and they change every time you close out the dialog for Ally and reopen it. Sometimes she'll say, I don't have an answer for you. Check Chat with Live Support. You can click on this link down here, Live Chat with Support, to bring up the existing support chatbot that we've had for years, known as the Sage Assistant. And here, if you need to get a hold of support, Click on Fixed Assets Product Support. There'll be some different options here, and you can pretty quickly say, I have another issue, and chat with an agent if you need to, or potentially find your answer in this help system. Like I mentioned, there's a lot of different ways to get help, and we're hoping that Sage Fixed Asset Ally will help you find it a lot faster, at least give you that first initial piece of knowledge to know where to go. If you have time and have been using it, please tell us what you think of Ally by taking this short survey here at the end. It's anonymous unless you want to share your information with us. We will be continuing to train Ally based on new information that's available all the time, based on what we hear customers need. So give it time. Her answers will improve eventually over time. Thank you for listening. I hope Sage Fixed Assets Ally is beneficial to you. Have a great day.